clicking on our channel. Welcome to Burkeshire Farm. My name is Frank. I'm out here today because I'm going to be building just a small temporary fenced-in yard for our dogs so that when we come out on the weekends they've got a safe place to be and they don't have to be on any type of a leash or anything. They just can run around a little bit. So I'm going to be working on that today. Got the contractor back behind the trailer here. He's already going at it this morning and getting a lot done over there, and I just figured I'd get a little bit done over here to try to prepare this a little bit better for when we come out on the weekends and when I come out during the week. So again, thank you very much for clicking on our channel, and I hope you stay with us for a while. All I've done so far is I've got 4 T-posts. I got one over here at the corner of the trailer. I came out 30 feet. I put another T-post in over there. Then I went out 40 feet. I put another T-post over there at 40 feet. And then I came back in the 30 and put another T-post right over there in that corner. This whole thing is just, like I say, it's going to be temporary for while we're out here. Have a nice little safe place for the dogs. So what I'm doing is I measured off that T-post every 5 feet, and I'm pounding in a 4-foot piece of rebar every 5 feet in between the T-posts. And the fence itself is just going to be a light chicken wire. Like I say, don't have to be much, just something to keep the dogs safe. This whole set of steps I found over there in the pile came off of that wooden deck that used to be over there on that mobile home. I think I'm going to try to cut them down and kind of fix them up a little bit and see if I can't put them up against the trailer over here and give just a little bit wider step and basically for the dogs to be able to go up and down. That'll work. I got this, basically it's just chicken wire, and I got 36 inches tall by 150 feet, and I got this from over at Tractor Supply Company. It's one of the closest places to us out here. But regardless of that, I would have driven all the way to Houston had I could have got a better deal. But I did quite a bit of hunting hunting for fence, regardless of chicken wire, field fence, things like that. I'll tell you what, for the price, they are one of the best price available. They really are. They make it a point to be. And the quality, they've got really good quality fencing. And I'll put a link down this below for you if you'd like. Check it out if you're in the market for anything like this. But I'll tell you, I did quite a bit of research, and Tractor Supply they're right up there with the best of them. I am going to attempt to run this from this corner all the way down in underneath this tip out, all the way over there to those wooden steps I just put in. I'm going to try to fish it through there. Maybe I should have put it up there before I ran those rebars in there, but we'll see. I'll try to get about four ties down through here.